In today's video, we will begin implementing the zero investment innovative idea of concept explanation through an interesting activity to build the concept to explain the meaning of multiples. But before that, let's ensure we keep some materials ready with us. We will need 5 sets of 10 by 10 grid with numbers marked from 1 to 100 in each of them, and 5 sets of red, yellow and blue color pencils. Now, let's begin by informing the students that they will be playing an interesting game in the classroom. Ask the students to remain seated in their places and then start with the first row. The first student will have to call out the number 1. Then, the next student will call out the number 2. And after that, the third student, who is to call out the number 3, will say the word meow instead of the number. The game will continue on with the fourth student calling out the number 4, the fifth student calling out the number 5, and the sixth student saying the word meow instead of the number, until it reaches a point where a student who is to say the word meow forgets to say it. Inform them that if a student forgets to say the word, he or she will be out of the game. Then, the game will start over again with the first student. Several rounds of the game will be conducted in this manner until we are left with just one player who will be the winner of the game. Once the students have been briefed, let's conduct the game and ensure that every student who is to call out a multiple of 3 says the word meow instead. Continue the game until a winner is announced. Once the game is over, we will lead the students to the concept of multiples by asking them, which numbers did you replace with the word meow? They will respond by saying 3, 6, 9, 12, 15 and so on. As the students respond, it will aid in developing their critical thinking and communication skills. Based on the students' responses, we will conclude by stating that these numbers are the multiples of the number 3. Wasn't that an interesting game? In our next video, we will be conducting another activity to lead the students to the concept of common multiples. Stay tuned.